My name is Nicholas Ellis. I'm 32. I live in Port St. Joe, Florida, and I work at a country club. I was affected by Hurricane Michael. I lost my job. I was working at a restaurant at the time. That got destroyed by Hurricane Michael, so I was out of work for about 2-3 months. And a friend told me about CareerSource, and I came out here and they gave me a job. I work at the country club. I'm a maintenance guy, keep up the grass, fairways, rough. My work skills showed, my work ethic showed, and I got hired on. I would like to thank Leanne and my manager, Jordan. Also, I would like to add my maintenance manager, Mike. I'd like to thank all three of them. They gave me the opportunity, and I'm making the best of it.
Thank you. Thank you for giving us hope and finding us a place to stay and being the best man you could be for us, the kids. I'm just proud of you.